Hi, this is Adrian Larson, co-founder of Pathlight Investors, here with our Pathlight Insight. Today we're talking jobs, jobs, jobs. It was the April jobs report, and it showed that we posted 115,000 net new jobs in the month of April, and that unfortunately was below the consensus expectation for 160,000 jobs. The good news from this report was that February and March were actually revised upward by 53,000 jobs. So we created more jobs in those 2 months than originally expected. The unemployment rate this month fell to 8.1%, down from 8.2%. And while that may sound like a positive, it really was because we had a loss of 392,000 people from the overall workforce. So it wasn't because we created enough jobs to bring that unemployment rate down. Now, I'm talking about this really because we've had 2 straight months where the numbers have been underwhelming after 3 solid months of growth in the jobs market. Now, we don't think this is the start of a slip into a double-dip recession, but it is something that we have to keep our eye on. To this point in the year, we're averaging 200,000 net new jobs per month. We've done 800,000 jobs the first 4 months of the year versus 714,000 jobs last year in 2011. So you can still see the trend is still for growth, but we have to keep our eye on if things start to slip. If hiring rates begin to decline because of other macroeconomic fears happening around the world, concerns in Europe, concerns over our own political issues here in the States. But for right now, we're going to say that we're still on a solid trajectory. We're in a little bit of a pause right now, and we'll go ahead and keep a close eye on what happens in the month of May. Thanks a lot.